Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for 19th of May. And first of all, national news. Rajasthan Congress MLA close to Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot resigned. Rajnath Singh undertook sortie in P-81 anti-submarine warfare aircraft. Delhi's three civic bodies merge into one municipal corporation of Delhi. Indigo Airlines on Wednesday appointed Dutch courier KLMS Peter Elbers as its first foreign chief executive. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra slammed government over rising prices. AAP demanded case against BJP leaders for Delhi fire that killed 27. 27 people died in the Mundaka fire tragedy. The centre's representative to the capital Delhi, Lieutenant Governor Anil Bejal, has submitted his resignation to President Ramnath Kovind, citing personal reasons. And now some international news. Play a responsible role, Japan to China on Ukraine war stand. Sri Lanka Economic Crisis. Sri Lanka is facing its worst economic crisis since gaining independence. Will make changes. Microsoft moves to avert EU antitrust clash. China tightened curbs in border cities. Reason North Korea's COVID surge. Dubai's Burj Khalifa vanished in a layer of dust amid sandstorm. Russia expelled Italy. Spain diplomats in tit for tat move. And now some sports news. VVS Lakshman will play two T20s international against Ireland in late June. He is currently the head of the National Cricket Academy. Nikhat Zareen entered Women's World Boxing Championships final in 52 kg category. James Anderson, Stuart Broad returned as England named Test squad to face New Zealand. Archery World Cup. Indian men's compound team shocked South Korea to enter final. Women win bronze. And now let's have a look on weather. The weather on May 19 in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 44 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperatures will drop to 30 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.